Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be discussing some few of the makeup products that are under rupees 100, and many of them are basically under rupees 60 or 70. So these are very affordable and you can also give them a try if you are on a budget. So yeah, if you're interested to know more about all these things, then please keep on watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please click the red subscribe button down below and also follow on all my social medias as BC.91. And now let's get started. First of all, I'll be starting with the foundations that I have under rupees 100. Blue Heaven Signature Foundation. Now this is a very beautiful foundation and it's also like sheer to medium coverage. If you're on a budget, then you can give this a try since it is just for rupees 60. And the other option that I'm having is the Pond's BB Cream. Now this is not a new product at all. So this is basically in the market since a very long time. It retails for 75 rupees and this is also a very good product. And I will be giving all the links in the description part below and also on the I button here, so make sure you do check them out if you're interested to know the review of these products. I have few of the compact powders to set your foundation basically. So here is the Blue Heaven Burly Compact. I have a full review of this and this is a very good compact powder. It just retails for 65 rupees and this is quite handy. The only drawback is it does not comes with a mirror here, and the amount that you are getting, the quantity that you are getting is 20 grams, so it is like hell affordable, and just for rupees 65 you are getting such a good quantity, so you must give this out a try. It retails just for rupees 65. This is a very good option to go for if you are on a budget. And the next option that I'll be having is Johnson Baby Powder, and this is also very good for baking and for setting your base makeup. So this is also a very good powder. It does not leave a whitish cast on your face, though the powder is white in color, but it does not leave a white cast on your face, so that's also a very good option to go for, and it retails just for rupees 40. Now coming on to eyeshadows, I have hell lot of options for you guys and all of them are under rupees 100. So the first option that I have here is this X Factor Professional Makeup. So and the shade range is quite pretty and all the shades are matte, so as you can see here. So if you're looking for a matte palette, that too in a budget, I just got it for rupees 100 from a local market. Now if you're searching for this online like on Amazon or Flipkart, you will find it very expensive. To check out for such kind of palettes in your local market, you will find it at a very cheap cost. Now the next palette that I'm having is by Qmidai. Now even this palette you must have seen in your local markets in the flea shopping and street shopping kind of thing. Even this palette contains 18 colors. It did had a brush here, a sponge tip applicator, which I lost, and but all these colors are shimmer but good for everyday basis. Like I love using these two colors. This one is a light metallic bronzy shade and this is a muted kind of a brown shade. I love these two colors on daily basis. It retails just for rupees 70. I got it from rupees 70 from a local market, from a local shop. Actually there was a sale going on. You can give this a try if you find it in your local market. This is a gorgeous palette. Now the next options that I'll be having in eyeshadows are single eyeshadows. So this one is by ADS Pro. It's a new launch by ADS. They have launched a new range with the name ADS Pro, and and the eyeshadows are to die for. The color, the pigmentation is all very gorgeous. In one swipe you get a very good color payoff. Now I fell in love when the first time I swatched in the market, in the local shop, and he said to me that दीदी please आप इसको ले लीजिएगा, swatch मत करिएगा वरना ये फिर हम बेच नहीं पाएंगे. Swatched अगर होता है product तो वो नहीं खरीदते हैं. They find it well like this is a used product, and I decided to purchase this. Now this retails for 60 rupees in the local market. Yeah, the other option that I have is by Miss Claire, and even this is quite a old product and I have used this in one of my tutorials. I will be linking in here in the I button or also in the description part below, so make sure you check it out. This retails for 90 rupees. Even Instagram stores sell it for around 100 to 130 rupees or 150, but yeah, if you are finding this in local market, you will find it at a very cheap cost. So yeah, moving on to concealer, the option I am having is by the house of ADS. This is the ADS Fashion Color Pan Stick. The product that you are getting is around 25 grams of quantity they are offering you, and this retails just for rupees 100. You will find it at a very expensive cost if you are buying this product from online world or from Instagram store, but yes, if you're buying this from your local markets, you will find it at a comparatively cheaper rate. Quite pigmented and it blends out easily, as you can see. So yeah, it just goes well into your skin. You need to set it with a compact powder. Now moving on to blushers, I have a very good option for you under rupees 100, and I guess under rupees 70 it is, and which is perfectly matte, and it's by the house of ATS. Now you may find that the brand is cheap, but yes, it may be cheap, but the quality of the product that they are offering is quite good. You can use it for everyday basis. It gives you a super natural glow, and it retails just for rupees 60. Now once you're done with eyeshadows, you will need an eyeliner also, right? So here I have the Yankee 36-hour eyeliner pen, and trust me guys, this is such a gorgeous eyeliner pen. Now this retails just for rupees 70. Local markets you will find it at a very cheap cost. If you're buying it from Instagram stores and also from the online world, then you will find it at a expensive cost. Like all the products that I'm mentioning, I must say that you better find them in your local market, because there it will be comparatively cheaper and it sticks up to the claim 36 hours. Now who sleeps on with a makeup? I have tried this product and without moving it just stayed on my eyelids, like it was there for the whole day, entire day. So yeah, 18 to 20 hours I have tried this personally, and yes, it just sticks up to the claim. Now coming on to Kajal pencils, I have an option for you from the house of Me Now. The colors are quite gorgeous, good for everyday basis. Now I don't use them on everyday basis, but yes, these two I use them for everyday basis, the brown and the black one. Now if you're a regular user, then you will also need about 1.5 years to end this completely. Very affordable, very handy, quite travel friendly since they have a sharpener, so you don't need to look around for the sharpener as well. And here I'm also showing you the swatches of these Kajal pencils, quite pigmented, very good quality, and they retail just for rupees 45. The entire set retails for around 200 or 220 rupees. Moving on to lip liners, I have few options by the house of Seven Heaven. Now Seven Heaven brand has been converted to half and half. They have changed their name, but yeah, these are the older packaging, like around 6 to 7 months old. But yeah, anyhow, these are very good quality, and they come in a variety of color. I think 24 colors are there in this range. They retail just for rupees 30, and these are very good option to go for. Quite pigmented, quite matte, long lasting. I'll simply be giving you some swatches here. So this is the shade Pretty Pink that I'm having, of the red shade which is named as Tomato. Should definitely give these a try. These retails just for rupees 30, and if you're on a budget, then you can definitely try them out. If you're looking for lipsticks, I have few options for you, and first of all, these are from the house of L18, as you all know. So this range is a little bit different. This is from their Color Boost range, and this is from the matte range, Colourpop's matte range. So yeah, these two shades that I'm having is, one is Code Red and one is Mauve Date. Quite nice shades and very pigmented, very long lasting. And this shade that I'm having is Superlicious Red. Now these retail just for rupees 100, and this one is for rupees 90, but the matte ones are for rupees 100, so you can definitely give them a try. Few other options that I'm having is one is from the house of Kiss Beauty. It's their Wine Lip Tint. This is quite a gorgeous color, very pigmented and very long lasting. I'll just be giving you a swatch. So as you can see, this is quite nice maroon kind of a shade with a hint of pink in it. But yes, this is a very good color, suitable for all Indian skin tones. And yeah, I got this just for rupees 100. So you can definitely find it at any local market. The option that I'm having is from the house of Miss Claire, and it is their Miss Claire Chubby Sticks. The shade I'm having is 44. Now I like these kind of colors. So yeah. This is also, I'm very bad at swatching, so please don't mind. They retails just for rupees 100. I bought it from an Instagram store. I'll be linking that page in the description part, so make sure you check that out. Now if you're someone like me who does not wear lipsticks on an everyday basis, these are the magic lip balms that I'll be giving you if you are not interested in wearing a lipstick on everyday basis and you just need a little hint of color. Now it looks like this and like this, so they come in a variety of packaging. The packaging looks quite cute always. Now these retails around 20 to 30 rupees, and you can definitely give these a try. Now here in this, I also decided to end up by giving you some options for makeup brushes as well. This is retractable and it's quite travel friendly. As you can see, it will not catch dust or pollution in the brushes. Now it may catch bacteria if you're not washing it. So yes, this is retractable, as you can see. Quite fluffy and nice, very gentle, very soft on skin. And this retails just for rupees 100. You may find it a bit expensive, like 120 or 130, but I found it just for rupees 100 from a local store. And you can anytime bargain, right? Girl power. So yes, भैया जी होंगे अगर बड़े अच्छे दिल के तो वो दे देंगे. This is a quite nice fluffy brush, very soft, very smooth on the skin. It may catch bacteria, it may catch dust, but you need to wash these brushes quite frequently. You can use it for your contouring as well. You just need to pinch it a little bit from the base, and there you have a fan brush. You can use it for your highlighting purposes, contouring purposes, also for powder and for your blushes. So yes, this is also a very good option to go for. You can also purchase this from your local market and you will find it at a good rate. So yeah, this is also under 100 rupees. So yes guys, this was it. This was my entire list of the makeup products that were under 100 rupees. Now many of them were under rupees 60 and 70. Only a few of them were touching the threshold, that was 199. So yes, this was my list of under rupees 100. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you stay connected whenever I upload a new video. And also follow on all my social medias as PC.91. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.